a curious girl who loves food, travel, and adventure. I used to own a restaurant in New York City where living is fast and people never have time to cook. One day, I felt the need to learn more about food and other cultures, so I packed my stuff and took off Trippin For Food. Today, Mallorca.
We appreciate your patience and thank you for flying STS.
It takes about 2 hours to fly to Mallorca from the Fiumicino airport in Rome, and a flight can cost from $150 to $200 on an economy airline. Mallorca has its own international airport and daily flights from all over the world. Now I've landed in Palma, Mallorca's capital, and I'm on my way to meet my friend Gori Vicens and learn all about island traditions and Spanish cuisine. Gori is the editor-in-chief of DP Magazine, an online and printed publication focused on world trends and art, which is distributed in Palma and Berlin. But he's also a great cook.
Now we cover with the newspaper.
Gori invited me to take a family trip around the island on a beautiful yacht on our way to a town called Moscati. We got to swim together and have a great time. Moscati is a small town full of old farmhouses they call macias, a type of rural construction very common throughout the east of the Iberian Peninsula and always linked to an agricultural and ranching family type. There's nothing more traditional and authentic than a paella, so we gather all the necessary utensils to prepare that delicious dish.
Campipa, Moscati, aquí.
Today, Gori will prepare a classic paella with rabbit and chicken, a dish of humble origin but hugely popular that has been transformed varying from region to region.
Paella master at work.
Que es Olivelles, de mi mujer, Elisa Reus Olivelles, de la casa, todo queda aquí.
It incorporates various typical products native to each locality, such as rib, rabbit, chicken, sausage, mushrooms, and seafood.
Una paella no es paella si no tiene alcachofa. Es lo que le va a dar sabor y el taste. No, el super ingredient is coming now. It's coming now.
The story goes that a man prepared a dish to win his wife's affection, because back then, in the 15th and 16th century, cooking was a task for women. In Castilian, the word paella could be a derivation of for her, giving rise to the paella name. Running around the house with the kids, I found out that Gory had a backyard with a lot of herbs, so we decided to get some rosemary and add it to the paella because that would give it a special flavor.
Por aquí. Coming from the land, fire is coming from the land, pray. See, newspaper is very important. It has to be from 1 year ago. If it's only this news from this year, it tastes really bad. So always think 1 year ago. All news.
Time.
I'm starting to get a real feel for what ancestral food culture is all about and why it's more than a way of life in this side of the world. Now I leave Spain with my belly full of love to continue my travels in search for more. Next up, the Philippines.